beard's not growing right, if it's patchy and it's just not looking sharp, you're probably making one of these 5 mistakes. Let's get straight into it. I'm Adil, and after shaping up thousands of beards, I've seen these common mistakes so you can get the best beard in the game. Number 1, and one that is probably the most hardest to ever do when you're at home, is your ear line. So this line here, going in too much on your face can completely ruin your face shape. So make sure you get this right. I have done a tutorial on that, like I said before. Make sure you go check out that video here. All it is basically telling you that you need to make sure that you need to keep this ear line nice and natural. If it becomes too in here, this looks like this is your side of your jaw, and it looks like your whole jaw then is now moved forward, and that's not what we want. We want to follow that jawline around here, what we call the ear line. Same thing on the other side. You want to make sure that that is a natural silhouette of your jawline. That brings me on to my next mistake, and that is shaping up your neckline way too high or way too low. Now, way too low will elongate your face, and it makes you look like you got more hair on your neck than you do on your face, making it look like a neck beard. That's not what we want. Shaping it up too high can expose all that chin and neck area, making it look like a chin strap. Again, not what we want. And I've done a tutorial on this. Make sure you go check that out. But essentially, it's just making sure that we're placing it 2 fingers width above your Adam's apple, and then making a nice, even, curved neckline. Number 3 is overusing cheap beard products. Now, I know you're gonna come at me and say, oh, this guy is just plugging his products and his videos. No, I'm actually here just to make sure that you don't keep using worst products that I see on the market. Now, what I mean by the worst products, I mean the products that you probably can't even pronounce the ingredients of. Those materials, those chemicals that are inside those products, they are not good for you. Just as simple as that. I'm not even going to get into the science of it, but that will cause breakage, it will cause dryness, it may even cause irritation and potential acne if you're not taking care of your beard and applying those products directly onto your skin. Now, I don't want you to go for the beard oil that we sell. I don't want you to go for the cologne that we sell. No, even if you don't buy them, just know this one rule. Whatever you do put on your face and your skin, make sure it's good, it's healthy, and it's organic. That's the bottom line. Now, of course, I've done all the research so that you can just go and click. However, if you feel like you don't want to buy from me, no problem, I don't mind. But make sure when you do buy from somewhere, it is selling something that is really good and beneficial for you. Number 4 is keeping that cheek line way too high or way too low, or even changing the shape of that cheek line so it doesn't suit your face shape. Now, the general rule is to keep that natural cheek line, but just to take off those stray hairs just above. And as a general rule, that line should meet where your mustache ends, just around here. Or if your beard isn't as dense as mine, the top of the beard should align where your lips meet around here. Now, the shape of your cheek line should generally be a curve, a slight curve, just to follow the contour of your cheek. Now, it's generally straight. If you are going to put something there that is straight, it does follow that line. But because of our cheek line and the way that our contour is, it makes it look like a curve. And that brings me on to my last point, choosing the wrong shape for your face. Not every beard style suits every face, and you need to match your beard to your face shape. If you've got a round face, elongate your beard with length, so more length around your chin area. If you've got a long face, keep your sideburn areas longer. And I'll put a diagram here to show you exactly what kind of beard you need for your face shape. And if you're still unsure, then make sure you go hit that link in the description. I offer one-to-one personal advice on how to shape up your beard and hair at home. So if you're making even one of these mistakes, there's a tutorial out there, I'm sure of it, but now you know the fix. Your beard and your confidence will thank you. Subscribe for more no BS beard advice every week, and make sure you comment down below if you ever made a mistake. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.